And you know that I like to something good tonight. Often drunk cause we have no money to buy, but we can stay all night to see the city lights.
It's a draft. Yeah.
Hey besties, welcome back to my vlog. I look a mess right now, but that's because I'm having mad cramps. I'm just not feeling myself. But I just want to show you guys a PR package that I received from a skincare company, and they reached out to me and say, oh hey girl, we love your vlogs, we love your videos, you make amazing content, please can you review some of our skincare products. And you know me, I'm the queen of skincare reviews, the whole 30-day skincare thing, that's my stuff. So I'm just gonna unbox with you guys, and then I'm so excited to try this. This is my first PR package of 2021, and I'm sure God has so much in store for me this year. So guess what, your girl is growing. We're receiving PR to review. So it came in this DHL package, and yeah, let's open this up. So I'm just gonna open this. And it just says NASA Cosmetics. This is from she's based in America. So ooh, I'm so excited to try this out. So wow, the packaging is nice though. So I'm not going to talk much about this product because I'm going to be having a 30-day skin test featuring this product. So we'll get to know more about it. So it also comes with a card. It just says my name, Deborahene. Follow me on Instagram, it's Deborahene. Subscribe to my channel, it's Deborahene. So I got these 3 items. Yeah, your girl is feeling like a real influencer. Okay, you can add influencer to my name. Check. So these are them, and then I'll see you guys in a bit.
Lonely days and sleepless nights since you spoke out and hurt my pride, yeah. There's no need to say sorry. I can't get you off my mind, and you can't tell me this don't feel right, yeah. I know that you want me. There's no need to hesitate. If things go wrong, we'll take a break. I know it ain't easy. My problems seem to fade away. I'll put things off another day. I don't need to worry when I'm with you. When I'm with you.
Okay, so we are early. Very early. Alright, coming to see. Welcome to America. Huh?
Coming to America.
Coming to America. We came very early. Like us. Market Black.
That I like to something good tonight. Often drunk cause we have no money to buy, but we can stay all night to see the city lights.
This place is very good. I don't like it. It's very good. And it's very annoying. I don't know if it's because today is Sunday or the time we came. I don't know. Okay, I'd rather take that one. Package. best place. Your best spot. Oh, that's cute. That's a nice house. You want to run? If I put your guitar now, you run. Ah, China. Why are you shaking like this? Snuggles! Wanna give me kissy? So, you know, yesterday we went to the yesterday you guys saw us going to the vet. I took China to the vet. If you don't know who China is my 4-year-old Lhasa Apso. She's a girl. This is my best baby, okay? This is my first baby. But let me tell you guys, okay? Having a dog is so expensive. Like, I'm tired. Like yesterday, we went to give her a routine, normal routine checkup and routine vaccinations, and guys, I spent damn near 20k, 20,000 naira. Like, there's no time we take China to the vet and we don't spend anything less than 10,000 naira. It's not possible we spend anything less than 10k. So just have that in mind when you're trying to get a dog. Girl, get your coins ready, because you will spend. The smaller they are, the more expensive they are. Yeah, that's China. Okay, so I also picked up her food. So if you have a small dog, I really advise you picking up one of these. China eats the Royal Canin Mini Adult, and this is almost 8,000 naira. Yeah, like this is almost 8,000 naira. So just get ready for dogs, because yesterday I was like, in this economy that things are hard. Oh nah.
Lonely days and sleepless nights since you spoke out and hurt my pride, yeah. There's no need to say sorry. I can't get you off my mind, and you can't tell me this don't feel right, yeah. I know that you want me. There's no need to hesitate. If things go wrong, we'll take a break. I know it ain't easy. My problems seem to fade away. I'll put things off another day. I don't need to worry when I'm with you. When I'm with you, I can't think straight.
That is too much. Yes. Oh, I tried it. I did well.
Got miles
Y'all can say hi. We're here now.
I don't think you'd want to. I distance myself so it doesn't hurt, but I'm still in pain either way. Don't know why you give me the time of day, 'cause I don't think I'm worth the wait. No, I don't think you should get to know me, because you're feeling lonely. You don't want these problems, I'm overcome.
Hey besties, welcome back to my vlog. So I know the last time you saw me, I was at the art exhibition with my sister, and girl, that was so much fun. After that, we went out to have some food and just chill. We went to this really nice restaurant. I just literally checked it on Instagram, and it was actually what I saw on Instagram. I saw when I got there. But